In this video, we try to explain all the details about this property like landmark, reviews, location, price, amenities of the property and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location. There is nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 8.4, which is the very good. On the screen, you can find all the restaurant details provide including information about the cuisine and it's open for variety options. Room category first. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and features, etc. Room category second. Room category third. Next, we talk about the amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, 3 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Pets are not allowed in this hotel. The location of the hotel is good for guests to fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. The resort accepts credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily pay prior to arrival. The check-in time of this hotel is 3 p.m. and the check-out time is 12 p.m. Guests are required to show a photo ID and check-in. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel along with various payment plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. For booking or more details, below to link in description. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed to our channel yet,